Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to set up how to clone a sales funnel that I've already given you in system to promote another product. And I'll show you step by step how to do it and make sure that you get that notification and set up all your tags and stuff like that. So if you're on my YouTube channel, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to get into my school group, where you have access to me, I'll put a link to it below the video here. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the free funnel you get when you I can give it to you below. It's no big deal. All right, so basically I'm going to duplicate this one, and there's a couple of things I need to do first. Well, actually, let's just do this. Let's get this done. So this is going to be AI cache machines, which just launched today. So AICM2. I can't give you AICM2. All right. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to go into it. Now, before I go into it, there's a couple things I want to do. If you're going to send emails, you do need to go set up a campaign. And if you want my AI cache machine campaign, you have to just message me and I'll share this campaign for you, as long as you've bought AI cache machines, okay? Because if you haven't bought it, well, if you can go get it to promote it from Zach, then because he has to pre-approve all affiliates, let me know that you're promoting it, and then I can send you that. Okay. The next thing you need to do is go into tags and go create, and I created one AICM just so I know which one they came in on. So you'll see it right here, AICM. So I've got my tag and I've got my campaign. So let's go back to the sales funnel. So we're going to go in here and AI cache machine. So we're going to edit it. So the first thing we need to do is change from Freedom Blueprint. So we want to do AI cache machine system. Oops, make sure I can spell here. System access. All right. And then if you want to, you can put like a little you can go to the squeeze page. You can grab the headline, and you can actually put that right in there as well. So let's go here. We want to add a block there, so we want to add some text. We want to drop it right under there so that it's in there. Select all, paste, select all. Want to make sure we have the color black. We don't want it bolded. Just want to bold some stuff. So I think AI cache machines, bold, or showing your face. I'm going to put that online. I'll bold that. All right. So discover the AI cache machines that puts $1,000 in your bank account. So we're good there. So next we have to go add our link. So right now this is going to the redirection link. So let's go into, I have to get to where is it here? So I want to go to home, and I want to go to AI cache machines, and I want to go down here and I want to grab my link and go back over to here. I'm going to put my link in here. Submit form, custom URL. No, I don't want double opt-in. All right. So now I need to add my automation rules. So I'm going to add a tag. So I'm going to choose that AICM tag. Next, I'm going to subscribe them to a campaign. If you're sending an email, if you're not sending emails, don't worry about it. I'm going to subscribe them to there. And then the last thing is I want to send an email to a specific email, because I want notification emails, because I like to see them because they motivate me. So if you have not set one of these up, you can't do it here. I'll show you where you do that. So we're going to save this rule. So we're going to get rid of that because you don't have an email yet. So what we want to do is save the rule. And then we've got that there. So we want to save all the changes. We go back to here. We want to go automation rules, and we want to add a rule, trigger. Oops, I need to go on the page. Sorry, guys. AI cache machine. Now I got automation rules. So add rule, trigger when. Why is it doing that? When this event happens, you want to send email to a specific email. And here's where you add that email. You create an email message right there. And then you can actually add the substitutes, so you can it'll tell you who it was, like their first name, their email, and their country. That's the ones I collect. You can put like a new subscriber to AICM, and you can go name, and you just put in the substitution here, and it would fill that in. It would give you that information. All right, that's how you set that up. You save it, and then once you have that, get rid of that. When you go back into edit the page, it should be there, or if it's not there, then you just add it here, add action, and send an email to a specific email address, choose email, new subscriber, and then save rules. So that is set up, guys. And the last thing I recommend doing is go over to the, I would take a screenshot of this so that when people see that social media image, which is, where is it? Settings. Right here, social media image. So I'm going to upload, select file. I just took a screenshot of it. Recent screenshot. Open. There it is right there. Insert. And now that it'll show that. And I could also take this. Select all, copy, and I could put that in that social media snippet too. So when you send the link, take this, copy, title. So we'll save changes. So now should go look at it, view final step, and it says it all there. Test it out. Boom, done. And that is how you set it up, guys. That is the entire system. Pretty simple, really, really simple actually, guys. So that's it. If you are on my YouTube, again, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and go promote. If you don't have AI cache machines, I'll put a link below. So I'm going to put a link below for my school, for AI cache machines, and for this free funnel if you want it for a system. It'll set you up, show you how to set up everything. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.